Hello guys, this is Lord Victor with Vieforr Valence, and I'm here to speak to you about the evolution and the subsequent designs that came after this first design here that you see before you. And in this design, again, it's the Armored Warrior, but I decided to create a second design, which was very much similar to the first, as you can see. And I made some minor aesthetic changes to it. It took maybe about an hour or two to get some of these changes into the design. But areas where I thought the design was lacking, I added to. And in some other areas, I just completely over designed, as you can see. So it was meant to be the female version, hence the lipstick. But as you shall see on many of my other designs, the lipstick does not necessarily mean, male or female sometimes, or I should say lip color. So with this design, mainly the biggest change that I did was to link the eye design section. You know, yeah, I don't want to just say eye holes because that would be a reference to Rick and Morty. But what I did here was that I linked the eye section, the eye design section, and changed the color there. And I mean, the design sort of speaks for itself, but I added some more visual aesthetic flourishes to it and changed the banner color into purple and added some more to the pauldrons in order to just make them look unique and as if the design wasn't already unique enough as is. But also, one of the things that I like the most and which has stayed in subsequent versions of this design is the lip area. This little design which I added to the bottom lip is inspired by the Maori tribes. You see them with some of the coolest lip tattoos and chin tattoos, and I just wanted to sort of emulate that. And even the chin strap here, the chin strap of the helm, it's more it's more detailed. There's a bit more design to it, which sort of just in my mind makes it kind of look cooler. But at the same time, again, you can see. So here with this design, I added in a nostril and lips, right? And it's that element of the armor opening up, as you can see here in the first design. It's just a mere suggestion. There's just the merest suggestion of lips and a nose, you know, there. But as I progress, then it becomes much more human. Oh, and I accidentally colored that in. It becomes much more human in this instance here. And then let me show you. Okay, so this is the first. This is how it first started off, and I did some modifications to it, and I got this second design, and then the third design. Boom, there we go. This is what it looks like right about now. So this is the beautiful thing about Corel Painter, is that you can really just create a single design and branch off 20 different designs from a single design, because sometimes the software replicates the design itself, and so every time it did that in the past, I would always see it as an opportunity to actually experiment and try something new. And with this one, with the third design here, I decided, let me make it more sort of diamond shaped. Let me sort of take away some of what makes the old design work and try and explore new elements of what can possibly make it work. And again, as you can see, there's a progression from the armor being completely closed to the armor opening up around the nose and mouth area to the armor opening up even at the eyes, you know. So if I was to imagine this like the Tony Stark armor, it's like if in my mind's eye, it would probably be the eye section going up first, then the mouth section dropping, something like that, you know. But yeah, these are the some of the designs I've been working on, and to be honest with you, these two are quite old, and this is quite recent, the diamond one. And again, as you can see, like I go, because this is still quite rough, I go into quite a lot of detail with the design, you know. And by the third one here, I was really trying to change it. I'm really trying to change some of the basic elements of the design to make it more unique. You wouldn't believe the amount of designs that I have on this computer, but this is going to be the joy and pleasure of doing some videos for you guys, is that you're going to be able to see the incredible productivity behind the brand, you know. And in future there will probably be some videos as well where I show my design process, where I show um, me working on a piece from scratch, from basic pencil sketch to the actual complete product on the screen in front of you. But yeah, I'm hoping to, this design, I've had it printed on that's something I never explained, but the first design I've had it printed on shirts and hoodies. This one, the second one, I've had it printed on shirts and hoodies. The third one, that's still in progress. I believe I've got these t-shirts available on eBay, Vieforr Valence 3126 on eBay, and you can order them. The second design, I might have a hoodie with it, but I'm not completely sure. But either way, in due time, I'm gonna have all three. I'm gonna have the other two available as well online to order, you know. But yeah, let me know what you think of the designs, and let me know what sort of improvements I can make, because there's always something to improve with any design that you work on. Thank you very much for your time, and please comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much.